let's try the sudden increase load. Together. It will record the data. You need to touch this button first, and then put the load on or put the load off. Yeah, this one first and then this one. It will take around 30 minutes to finish all this testing, and then after that can call data. Yeah, it can do the sine wave for all the curves, and then also can create the test report. Yeah, like this. If you want to create a simple test report, you can use this one. Yeah. This one is quite simple, without the sine wave, and also without the 三灯 on and off. So it's quite simple.